Hello everybody, it's me Liz Marie. I'm back doing another Petit Vour video for y'all. So let's see what I got in this month's Petit Vour box. It's for the month of July. I haven't received my August one yet, but I'm trying to keep up. I'm gonna try to keep up. But let's get right into it. Alright, for the first product that I'm going to try is the Late the Rose Vitamin C Polishing Wash from French Girl Organics. I have always wanted to try French Girl Organics, just, never got around to it because there's so many things that I want to try. But yeah, it says, a Petit Vour exclusive launch. This antioxidant-rich, plant-derived powder washes, cleans, brightens and exfoliates for super soft, nourished skin. Oh la la. I like. And I have been looking for a good exfoliating wash since I ran out of my Dermalogica one. It's like Petit Vour knows. They always know what to send you each month. Okay, I have my hairpin back and we're gonna try this baby out. Wow, this is filled to the brim, guys. It's filled. That's nice. They don't, they're not like copping out products. It has a very light scent. There, I've added some water. This is definitely something that could be a very gentle exfoliation because it's not too gritty at all. And I love the way it smells. It has such a light smell. It's beautiful. I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot. Massaging my face for about a minute or so, avoiding the eye area because it's not good. No bueno to exfoliate the eye bags, guys. Don't do that. My skin definitely feels nice and soft and supple. And I don't know why, but slightly tacky. Doesn't bother me. Maybe it'll help my skincare stick more in my face, how you like those tacky primers for makeup. But that was the Late the Rose. And I think I'm already in love. Now that my face is all nice and cleansed, I'm going to try the Ursa Major Bright and Easy 3-minute Flash Mask. A powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment for clear, vibrant skin. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, this flash mask restores luminosity and firmness. This is also like something I've been wanting to try. I love things with like enzymes in it for exfoliation. I just feel like it makes my skin so soft and supple. Very gel-like. I think I'm just gonna place this mask in my T-zone. It has a very light scent, which I always enjoy. So this and the Late the Rose both aren't very strongly scented. And this is a flash mask, so I believe it said like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can take it off. It says 3 minutes. It's a 3-minute face mask, Liz Marie. Can't remember what I just said. But yeah, gonna let that sit for 3 minutos. Gonna let that sit for 3 minutes and let the enzymes do its magic. Seems to be taking a while. I feel like it's been an eternity already. Still waiting. It's literally only been a minute and I feel like it's been 10. So slowly. It's been 3 minutes finally. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off now. My nose feels exceptionally smooth and I've been having really bad problems around the nostril area. That's where I get really bad dryness and crusty flakes that don't make your makeup look good at all. But that seems to be smoothed out exceptionally well. I like that. I like that a lot. Would it be too much to say that I feel like my pores look smaller too. I will continue to use and keep you updated on both of those products. I'm very excited to use them. Skincare is my favorite. So is makeup. Another item that I'm going to try from my July Petit Vour box is the After Hours Soothing Night Cream from Kalos. It has an accent sign, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. But this is a pH balanced night cream. Helps soothe irritated, stressed skin to quickly regain glow and vibrancy. I think this cream and the Late the Rose, I'm definitely probably gonna take on my Hawaii trip just to keep further testing it out. I love that all this stuff has light scents. It's not heavy at all. Can't quite tell what this smells like. Like the Late the Rose clearly smells like had like a light rose scent. But also was milky. I think late means milk in French. I'm not sure. But milky rose is what it smelled like to me. The scents remind me of something, but I just don't know what it is. But yet, we're just gonna apply this on my face. Even though it says it's a night cream, I'm going to wear it under makeup. It's definitely very emollient. It feels like a night cream, you know? It just feels like a night cream to me. Like this is definitely something that I feel like if your skin is thirsty, just take some of this and put it on your face. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know why, but this After Hours Soothing Night Cream I feel like is making my skin even more tacky. So maybe it would work very well under makeup. Yep, my skin is so tacky, but I kind of like it, I don't mind. I know it's a night cream, but I really want to try it under makeup. Lastly, is a Terre Mer Smudge Proof Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Base, which also, I have been needing a good eyeshadow base. Petit Vour read my mind once again. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this waterproof eye primer prevents creasing while improving the skin's elasticity and minimizing the look of fine lines. And now I'm going to put a light layer of the Terre Mer eye primer infused with hyaluronic acid, and I'm gonna do a light everyday makeup. I had some cream on my nose and you guys didn't tell me it was just sitting there not blended. Thanks. I don't appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna put about that much because I don't know how much you need and I don't want to overdo it. I'm just gonna blend it in with my fingers. I wonder if this sets itself or if it stays tacky or if it would work well unset. Maybe I'll put on a little bit more. Yeah, I add a little bit more, but it seems very light. Like it doesn't have a lot of coverage to it, like it won't cover my veiny lids that are like super thin. But it's okay, we're gonna cover that up with eyeshadow. That builds up some coverage, but it's very light. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow and my makeup with LH Cosmetics and some other little bits I've got in my previous Petit Vour boxes, and I'll be right back to finish off the video. So I finished using everything, putting it on my face. I really regret powdering the Han concealer. I should have just let it do its own thing, like I usually do, but it's too late now. It's okay. For this eyeshadow primer, I think it would work best if I powdered it first. I feel like my eyeshadow kind of went to stick. It would kind of work fine on one eye, like I could blend it out fine. It like would stick for a second but blend it, but the other eye was not cooperating with me at all. So I'm gonna try it both ways. Might depend on the shadows you use. But I'm gonna try it again, powdered, because that's what I usually do. I put concealer on and I powder it down before I go in. I've never gone in with anything moist on my lids. But I wanted to try something new. I mean, my eyeshadow didn't come out terrible. I think it definitely made the pigments deeper, but yeah, I'm excited to keep trying this. For the Soothing Night Cream in the After Hours, it looks fine. Underneath the BB cream kind of thing I put on from Suntegrity, the Impeccable Skin, I bought the full size because I loved it that much. But yeah, definitely gonna continue using this at night like you're supposed to. But I might actually keep trying it under my makeup because it was very tacky on my skin, and I just feel like it would help not only my skincare at night to adhere better to my face, but also like my makeup. And yeah, very excited to continue using this. I just love face masks in general, and I've always wanted to try this 3-minute flash mask from Ursa Major. So I'm going to use every bit that is in this sample jar, and we will see if I purchase the full size. I'm going to keep you updated. My next Petit Vour box, I'll update you guys on how I feel on all these products. And of course, the French Organics Lait de Rose. I have a feeling that I will love this. I'm gonna, again, have to keep testing it out, but my skin felt very soft and supple after using this and the enzyme mask. But yeah, I've been looking for an eyeshadow base and a new exfoliating wash, and I swear, Petit Vour, like, it goes into your mind and knows what you want, and that's what you get in your boxes. Just saying, they're mind readers. It's magic. But I was very excited about this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this try-on unboxing. I will link everything I used on my face in the description bar down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this month's box if you're subscribed. Did you like this month's offerings? But until next time, bye!